And microwave heating occurs as a result of the interaction between a microwave absorbing material with the electric and or the magnetic field. Microwaves, like all electromagnetic radiation, have both an electric and a magnetic component and can be transmitted, reflected, or absorbed by materials. And microwave heating occurs as a result of the interaction between a microwave absorbing material with the electric and or the magnetic field. So in dielectric materials, heating can occur by either dipolar rotation or ionic or electron conductivity. So dipolar rotation is when you have a polar molecule that's trying to align itself in the electric field. This is often what we see for water and what you would see in your household on a microwave oven when you're trying to heat up food. The ionic or electron conductivity is when ions are trying to, again, they're moving slightly in response to the, either ions or electrons moving in response to that electric field. And as a result of resistance generated there is heating. In magnetic materials, heating can occur by eddy current, hysteresis, and magnetic resonance losses. But in microwave treatment of ores, we're primarily concerned with dielectric heating because most minerals are non-magnetic. However, even for magnetic minerals such as magnetite, our research has shown that the primary heating response is due to interaction with the electric field.